got a smart speaker like the Amazon Dot or Echo, just say, Alexa, play News Radio 920 on iHeartRadio.
Getting News Radio 920 WHJJ station from iHeartRadio.
It's that easy.
We have on one of our screens, we have the things that we talked about, just so we keep logs of everything we talked about. And the last break is just, sorry, this is very inside baseball, but it just says, Dershowitz, will he float?
And he would call it right now and say, I would not float.
I would not float. I would not float. All right. Welcome to the program. Let me go to Ethan in Virginia before we get to Pat. Hello, Ethan.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I wanted to ask you, in our state of Virginia, the Democrats are like in full control, and they're getting ready to change all kinds of gun laws for us. So the counties, our surrounding counties, are changing into Second Amendment sanctuary counties.